I'm Udita Bhandari and I belong to Indore. I'm a ceramic sculptor, and what I'm doing here is for Shop Art Shop project. I'm doing a terracotta spatial inquiry in the sense that there'll be many walls and it'll be an architectural form for one of the concrete areas they've made out here. So I'm using this local clay that we found out here on the outskirts, and I may be mixing some husk in it, and yeah, mainly that, and along with that, this is the clay that I have. We've already started preparing it. Along with that, I plan to use some stones and some slates also, because I see a lot of slate roofs out here and a lot of stone architecture. So that's kind of, I'm trying to mix all three of them together. Yeah. So we begin with making the clay first, which we got from the mountains, and that's the raw clay that we've dug out, which has got a lot of stones and all that. So this is how we kind of dry sieve it first, so that the big stones and the lumps and all that are gone, and you get this fine powder here. After that, we sieve it, we put it in a tub of water, soak it for a day or two, and then we sieve it with a finer jali, so that we get like really fine clay to work with. Lay it out and then let it dry till the consistency we need, and then we start working with it. Yeah, so these are the horizontal lines and lots of different planes. I'll be using the terracotta structures, the architectural structures on them, along with them. So mine will be like more on the vertical side, so just to go with the horizontal ones, and there'll be windows and doors cut out, so there'll be spaces in and out, kind of a thing. And they'll not be in one cluster, they'll be spread out around, and I'll have some stone structures also around to go with it, and some slate roofs with them, so that it goes with the architecture around here, because they use a lot of slate around. And yeah, that's it.